in EzMobileSiteGenerator, there are two types of menus. There are the built-in menus that follow the structure of the site and go from one level to the next level, showing the child pages of each level. Let me explain that part to you, and then I'll explain the other type. So here on this first page, we will have links down to all the first level pages, the first child pages that are underneath this main site page. So here's this one, this one, this one, here, down, down. Just scroll down a little bit so we can see it all. Yeah. Then it comes to here, opt-in pages, and now below opt-in pages we have two more pages, opt-in test 2 fancy. And first page is on the first level. So all of these with just one dash are our first level menus, and the ones with two dashes are second level, and they will always follow the page that they are the children of. So if I was to click opt-in test, look here, you see the parent is opt-in pages. If I just drop that down, you can see here possibly better. So we've got first one is the top level page, then here all our second level pages all the way down to here where we've got first page 1. Then here is opt-in pages, which is the parent of this one. Here, opt-in test. So I'm going to leave that as it is. Now let me just go back to the current site. So if I look on the main page, and then we come down to our previewer. Just ignore this for the moment. I'll come back and explain that in a second. And this is just an accordion section. But here's my main menu here. I've placed it at the bottom of the page. So here are all the entries down here. One of which we'll see is opt-in pages. Now if I click opt-in pages inside the previewer, you can see I've gone to the opt-in page, and that has its own menu, and the only two entries on opt-in pages are opt-in test and opt-in test 2 fancy. We just go back so we see the main one again. So there's our main menu, all the entries down there. There's the opt-in pages. I click on it. It gives me the two options that I've got there, and if I click on one of those, it takes me to the actual page itself. Now let's go and look again here so we can just reinforce where that's coming from. That's these sections here. That was on the first one originally, and here are all those menu choices down here. When we come down to opt-in pages, we see that below opt-in pages there's two more pages. They are children of opt-in pages. So that's what caused the menu on the opt-in pages. So that's how the standard menus work. And let's just go here, and I'll explain that more with the shortcodes. Those menus, the built-in menus, come from this shortcode here. Now, you won't actually need to put the shortcode in if you're actually using the custom positioning of the built-in menus. If you use either top or bottom, then you don't even need to put this shortcode in. It automatically creates the menu at the top or at the bottom for you. Or you can use the setting none, in which case there's no menu created. The moment I've got this set to be bottom, which is why you're seeing that menu all the way down here at the bottom. Let me just change this and set it to top and do an update. And you'll see that that menu now moves to the top of the page. So now it's the first thing I come to, and all my other content is below that now. So that's my built-in menu system that shows me the child pages of this page here. And as you remember, when we got down to opt-in pages, that had two child pages, and here they are here. And notice again on opt-in pages, because I changed my main site to use the menu at the top, the opt-in pages also had its menu moved from the bottom to the top. Okay, now we also have another system of menus, and that's defined by this shortcode here. Let me come down here, just below the menus, you'll see there's a little section on the menus here. This is where we were discussing the built-in menus, and that shortcode there, which is only used when you use that setting there, which is for the menu position. If you want to position the built-in menus in a custom position, then you set it to custom, and you place this shortcode where you want that menu to be. Now, in addition to that, we've got this shortcode here, EzMB custom menu, ID equals. Now, this is when you're using the WordPress built-in menu system. I'm going to go to that in just one moment and explain that to you. When you're using the WordPress built-in menu system, you place this where you want the menu to appear, and you put in here, just after ID, you put the name of the menu that you defined in WordPress. So let's go and look at the WordPress menu system and see how that works. Before I do, let me just show you what I put in here. I'll come back to it in just a moment though. You see in here, what I put was EzMB custom menu ID equals mobile menu. And what that created was, let me go back to my first page. Oh, that created this little custom menu here. Where I put first one, contact and location. So how did I get that? Okay, that's part of WordPress's built-in system. If you come to appearance, this is outside the EzMobileSiteGenerator menus, then come to menus. Okay, we've got the WordPress built-in menus here. Now, there's the 3 items that you just saw me looking at there, and there's the name menu, mobile menu. Remember it said easy custom menu ID equals mobile menu. I've got another menu here called mobile menu 2, which has got 3 different settings on. If I wanted to add a further page to that particular one, then I can just maybe add this one here, click add to menu, and that adds that to this menu here. And when I save it, that updates. I create a new WordPress menu just by clicking on this plus sign here and giving it a name. So I click plus, then I put a name there, and I can add new entries from here. Now, because we're working in EzMobileSiteGenerator, we only want to use the pages that relate to EzMobileSiteGenerator. Let me just go back here, and you see these are pages that have come from here. Now, up here in WordPress, there's a thing called screen options. When you click on that, it gives you some options as to what's shown on screen. So if I click maybe custom links, it brings another little section of posts, pages. It brings all these things in. Because I only want things that are related to EzMobileSiteGenerator, I just have Easy Mobile Sites clicked, and that shows me only the pages from my mobile sites. So I can add anything to my menus here. So here were the 3 that I had. If I wanted to add the discount coupon to it, I just tick that and click add to menu. Maybe I put that in that position there and do save. And that's added that now to that menu for me. And that will display on my mobile website from that. All I need to do is take this mobile name that I've got there, copy it, and in my page where I want it to appear, I put it there with the Easy Custom Menu ID. So let's actually copy the whole thing, including the menu ID, and let's go and put that on another page. Oh, before I do, let me just quickly go down and look at this page, and it should have 4 menus now instead of 3 in that little section. And there we are, yes. It added that discount coupon there for us. So if I wanted to have this same menu on every page that I've got, all I have to do is take this here, this shortcode with the ID set to the name of the WordPress menu, copy that, and go to any of my other pages and put it on. Where should we put it? let's put it on the top of the opt-in page. So at the moment it says this page just contains the menu links for the opt-in pages. And if I look, it does, it only contains those. If I put this new menu underneath that text and do an update, we should find now that in addition to the standard built-in menu, we've now got this WordPress menu which has appeared on our mobile site. And there it is, exactly the same as on the first page that we looked at. So I can add that anywhere I want on any of the pages, and it can be mixed in with all the text. So, for example, this is some text underneath the WordPress custom menu. You just update that, and I should find text either side of my custom menu now. So there's text above and text below. So using the WordPress built-in menu system, you can use that in addition to the standard EzMobileSiteGenerator menus, or you can use it instead of the EzMobileSiteGenerator menus, or you can just use the EzMobileSiteGenerator menus. So it gives you a great deal of flexibility on how you want to organize your pages, how you want to organize the links between the pages, and it makes it simple for you to build your system. Let's just quickly show you one further thing while we're here. This is coming from the WordPress menu that I called Mobile Menu. But remember, I also had one called Mobile Menu 2. Now this one says first one, discount coupon, contact and location. If I just quickly go up and just change this so that I add in Mobile Menu 2 and do an update, you'll find that now I have Mobile Menu 2 on this page. So you see now it's completely different. It's got opt-in test, RSV, test, contact to, and video test page. That's the menu options I had on my Mobile Menu 2. So you can place any menu you define through the WordPress system at any place on any page of your mobile site using this feature.